Today we're going to use Adobe Aero for creating an augmented reality experience. If you don't know, this tool basically is a software by Adobe in which you can create augmented reality experiences with literally zero knowledge about software development. It's pretty fast. It will take 10 minutes of your time, and we are going to give it a try. As you can see here is for desktop and mobile devices. Basically what you do is to use the desktop application to select a 3D model from the Adobe Cloud or import your own 3D model, and then you will display it on the mobile device. The first step is to download the software and to create a new AR experience. You click on Create New File, you give it a name, and then you click OK. And here you can see the three-dimensional space in which you can import or select from the assets a 3D model that you want to see in augmented reality. As you can see here, there are several options already provided by Adobe. You can import some animation, some characters with animations, or you can have, for example, furniture in the interior design section. For this test, we are going to use this robot over here. On the top left here, there are some actions that you can select. For example, you can translate, you can move the 3D model, you can rotate it, and you can adjust the view. You can, for example, rotate the view, you can zoom in and zoom out. These actions are a little bit different than other 3D modeling softwares, like 3D Studio Max or Blender, so you will have to get used to it. Now, the next step is to close the software in the computer and open the software in the mobile device. If you don't do that, basically the experience won't load. So here you have to log in with your username and you will retrieve here the experience. If you don't find it, you have to click on your files. You tap on the experience and the experience will load. So here the application will ask you to basically browse around in your environment, and with the computer vision techniques, it will reconstruct the environment. Specifically, it doesn't have an understanding of your three-dimensional space, but thanks to computer vision, it will detect lines in your environment, and it will try to understand where there is a surface. For example, here there is a possible surface on the top of my bed. And as you can see here, the software reconstructed somewhat a grid, basically. Then here you have to tap on the space, the location in which you want the object, and over there you will enable the view. So you have to click on the eye icon, and with some gestures you will have to, you can scale it, you can move it around like this. You can make it bigger or smaller according to your needs. So as you can see, it's pretty simple and fast to create an experience. I remember in 2015 to do something like this, you would have to develop a software application yourself, and it was taking a lot of time and effort to do that. And nowadays it's pretty easy. In 10 minutes you have done, basically. So as you can see here, it is in a fixed position in the environment. And even if you try to move around your room, you will notice that it's always there, basically.